A dump? Why is it everywhere we go, it's a dump?
This is supposed to be a candy store, and you only have one candy bar? That's correct, you little critics. Now what can I do you for?
Can I buy some Butterfingers?
Oh, sorry, all we have is Wonka bars.
Well, I mean, I'm really feeling a Butterfinger right now.
I'm sorry, we're fresh out. You can literally see one in your pocket. It's right.
Dude, we totally just watched. We just watched.
How about a Wonka bar?
Who can take a sunrise, sprinkle it with dew, top parade. The Candyman can, and Ozzy mixes it with love and makes the world taste good.
I mean, I guess we'll take what's left.
Right. Right. I will play the third. One for you, one for you, one for you. Deal with that. Man, people these days always giving you the shaft.
Monster.
Hello, boys. My name is Slugworth, and I'm the rival to the Wonka Corporation. I'm about to make you an offer.
Ooh, what kind of offer?
Well, let's just say I can give you a cat. That's Pop-Tart and can fly through space.
Hey, man's best friend is meant to be a dog. This time. Well, where are we?
You're in the mighty realm of Azeroth. Come, we must travel to Black Temple and slay the living Stormrage.
Huzzah! Dude, I'm walking in the house. Could you tell those two to stop moaning? They sound like zombies in here. Come on, we gotta get to the chocolate factory. We're gonna be late, and it's Friday. There's bound to be traffic.
You can come with us, Grandpa.
You never got me my cereal.
Mine is serious.
They sing it.
Friday, Friday, Friday. For the first time since 1966, Willy Wonka will make a public appearance. Oh, the days of Willy Wonka playing Card Alone Today's World are over. Tell me, Randy Savage, how do you think this is going to go down?
Yeah! It's gonna be a devastating. It's gonna be annihilating. It's gonna be
Very enlightening. And now, here he is. The man, the legend, Willy Wonka.
You've been lucky enough to
winning one of the 5 golden tickets that I've sent all over the world. Not only will you be getting a lifetime supply of chocolates, but you'll be inheriting my chocolate factory.
Yay!
From yours truly. I know, right? Now come in. There's so much time, so little to see. Wait, strike that. Reverse it. Come.
And so the children entered the chocolate factory. What horrible fates awaited them there? Who would be the winner of the chocolate factory? Have to pay off Willy Wonka's debt to Slugworth.